Namaskar. I am here with life for you. Life. No medicine, no after effects, no expenses, no disease is the power of our thought process. Thought is everything. In Hindi, विचार शक्ति सबसे बड़ी शक्ति. The thought power is the biggest power. It has all the drive we do. We think, we act. We think, we send messages to our cells and blood. We are fine. No medicine, no expense, no reactions, no disease. Exceptional. Stay away from the complex world. Since long, selfish, greedy, lazy people made the people of the world into the clutches. So, no medicine, no after effects, no expense, no disease is our thought, is the power of our thought process. No. When you read us, when you know us, then if you don't conclude and join us, then the suffering is there. Then the hospitals and all that. Then the people, millions of people are suffering, then they die. It's a fact. It's a bitter fact. So, to stay away from all this chain, read, know it, conclude, take action, wise action to join us. Because here, no medicine, no after effect, no expenses, only no disease, and plus young posture, because when no disease, young posture will be there. So you will have to follow, read us, know us, conclude and join us, walk with us. Then millions more are walking with us. Then there will be no suffering. Millions are suffering. They have entered the complex world. Then they die. Tragedies, misery for the families and all that. So this was the message. No in Hindi. कोई खर्चा नहीं, कोई दवाई नहीं, कोई रिएक्शन नहीं और बीमारी भी कोई नहीं, और यंग पोस्चर. आप यंग लगेंगे, आप में एक ऊर्जा होगी. तो क्या करना है? पढ़िए, हमें जानिए, हमारे साथ जुड़िए और सफर नहीं करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे चलेंगे. अगर आपने पढ़ा, जाना, लेकिन आप निश्चय नहीं कर सके, डिसीजन नहीं ले सके, उसका हमें ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाए, दुविधा में दोनों गए, ना माया मिली ना राम, तो देन यू विल सफर. मिलियंस आर सफरिंग. तो it's a big tragedy for the family to go to the hospitals, stay sick, whole cycle get destroyed, not disturbed. So, आपको पढ़ना है, हमें जानना है, कंक्लूड करके ज्वाइन करना है, ताकि वो सफरिंग से बच सको और दुनिया से आप उस तरह निकल सको कि नो डिजीज. This human body is never meant for disease. It's a totally clean system. But everything coming in the shape of foreign material is technically making us sick. So believe me, because when there is no medicine, what you will believe? No reaction, what you will believe? It's automatic belief, automation. So today the message was no medicine, no reaction, no disease and young posture. कोई दवाई नहीं, कोई खर्चा नहीं, कोई रिएक्शन नहीं और आप यंग रहेंगे. आपको कॉम्प्लेक्स दुनिया से स्टे अवे फ्रॉम द कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्ल्ड where the selfish setups, big setups, big advertisements be fooling, पागल बना देते हैं. तो समझिए, अगर समझना चाहते हैं तो इसके ऊपर विचार करिए. तो आज का टॉपिक था नो मेडिसिन, नो डिजीज, नो रिएक्शन, बट यंग posture. But you will have to join us to know more how to generate those thoughts. वो विचार शक्ति को पैदा कैसे करना है. कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्ड में वो पैदा नहीं होगी. कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी is not going to give birth to that type of thought. So join us. We will walk together with a little token money to exist. Okay, namaskar.